So this is on GBPJPY. So if you are yet to subscribe, once again, click on the subscribe button, like, share, make a comment. So let's see what we'll be anticipating next on GBPJPY. Now, this is it, right? This is our trend, which is an uptrend move. It is very clear that GBP JPY is going us a bullish. I think one of the reasons why we're having that movement is because due to the fact that GBP is very strong. I mean, if you take a look at your GBP USD, it gave us a good amount of a bullish move, right? So if you also see it on your GBP JPY, it is also giving us a good amount of a bullish move. Now, if you see this right, on GBP JPY, we have the high, and here comes the higher low. Markets eventually pushed up again to give us an higher high. This is our higher low. So markets pushed up right here to give an higher high. Here comes the higher low. Then an higher high was made here. What are we are expecting next on our GBPJPY is an higher low. So a pullback is what we are anticipating next on our GBPJPY. So we are anticipating for a pullback right next on our GBPJPY, right? So above all, we are still on a bullish move. The overall trend on GBP USD and GBPJPY is still very much an uptrend move. But for the short term, or for the main time, right, we are anticipating for a pullback. So it is a pullback we should be looking out for. Once the pullback plays out finish, right, once the pullback plays out finish, we can now start looking for a buy setup, probably around a level of 210. We are currently trading at 211. So let's see it give us a pullback to a level of 210. Once it comes to a level of 210, then we can now start looking for a buy setup that will eventually push up to form a new high. More updates will be covered for you guys. So subscribe in order to not miss out on these updates.